BALA, BALA, boy.
Yeah. K1, English, straight up BALA BALA. Altering the frequencies of these BALA BALA. Bringing them up frequently because he can't BALA BALA. So boss I can't day round here but you may
Bana London, nigga bozomona BALA BALA boys, kini wankini.
Mondantie, niggas a boy ngak bang gang ya film numero 10. You get me? Kini Wankini, the group's here. We just want to let you lot know on the 30th of January, it's going down. Tottenham, North London, N15, N17, we're here. You get me? We touched down. About to perform, man. About to perform.
You get me? It's an event not to be missed. Getting myself, El Prez or Mr. Linglish, you already know. Balango Baye, quoi. There's that hour, you get me? If you want to see, perform my latest tune by Simba, Banini, come down Tottenham. Get me supporting my bro Smokey 9278. You get me every time.
It's gonna go down. Guy Moj Prophet. Donc, hey, Smokey show. Trust me, man. Toko tumbango thing is up.
Wow! Come on.
Myself, King BALA as well will be there, of course. Get me from 8 PM to 1 AM. We're gonna be shining it down. Get me shellings.
It'll be the 30th of January. Don't miss out. Chef Celli Dynasty. We're on a BALA boys live session.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yo mama, yo papa, yo mwana, outside logo toujours mwana. Boy, yapping.
Family event.
It's a family event. You know them ones. You need to get out a bit more, man. Come out, come check us out, come support us. It's a big thing, it's a big move, man.
We'll tell about Vieux Ngadios, we're by Celli Dynasty, BALA BOYZ all gonna be there. And Smokey himself.
Come on.
Me, the legendary Smokey.
The original BALA BALA. Yeah, man. You know. Yeah, man. Bande Diego Kao, yeah, me solo
Like I
deja.
said, the event starts at 8 o'clock. You get me? The door opens at 8 o'clock. The event starts at 9. But Congolais was toujours retard. Please, do ya a time. It's gonna be good vibes. BALA, Nyoso boy, yeah, good vibes. Get me? There's gonna be family, little kids.
Come on.
So we all wanna have a good time.
Come on.
You can be Luka Sika.
Come on. Come on. My petite doesn't know they love you.
Simba, yeah.
You mad? Yeah.
BALA boys K1
Oh, yeah.
Man, like Prince where you spit.
Oh, yeah.
Mix Lingala with that Linglish fam. That's what I spit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I spit.
Oh, yeah.
No, you can't spit.
Oh, yeah.
Trap with my two strapped to my hand like my bassa.
Man can't come to my casa.
Hey, damn,
I tell you Zoba.
Switch, I'll tell you
Boma.
Take everything red like a doma. Make sure I touch your face like Boma. I swear to my word, Goma.
It's mad.
Get me? BALA boys. Little freestyle for you lot, see it? Go.
K1, Linglish,
Straight up,
BALA.
altering the frequencies on these
BALA. Bringing the motto frequently because he can't BALA. So cause I can't stay around here when you get turned into Yama.
Don't get it wrong though,
Descendants of Mwana Congo, Banakulu in London.
So that's your body in abundance. I got life full of substance. Don't try to come with your dumbness. Regulating the breath in my solo, formulating the art of Ngolo.
And it's King BALA. I just came back from the Zamba. Strips of my shit, I got the Kwanga. It's wrapped up like the puta. On my veil that I take a. Hurry up and somba. What out here, there's a million. I ain't trying to get nothing from Zoba. I've been on it since you days. Caught them charging at 08. Back then you couldn't stay out late. I never used to chill my age mate. No, we're the oldest on stage. I'm from BK, home of the brave. BALA boys in touch the grave. BALA boys is all in my veins.
Don't give me ganga. I was born and raised in the Zamba. See that jellyfish, she's from Banda. And she gives me Bilengi and Mwana. I don't have time for Kibombanda. See they let me only Banda. I just want to sumo the Kemba. Shefa Wuti Yanga. Shefa Katifumba. Shefa Tuti Bondu. Shefa Dunda.
Oh, by the flow, cause you know that Galinga. Free man drug it. Galinga. Yeah, don't know, I forget.
BALA since Kala.
What Kala?
Yeah, Kala. I'm talking since Mwana. Ain't got no time for Musala. I mix work with the press like voila. No, they don't wanna see me. I'm real, yeah, man, I get Hey, can you walk, can you fam? You see the little man there, B. I see the work, can't stop, can't. You see I'm married to the rose now. 243 kings. And my family's from Lingwala. Team 243. All day, every day.
BALA.
Hey, bango.
BALA.
Hey,
Bala bala. What you out here? That's
bala bala.
Cause I wanna
Bala bala.
Cosa kana tena?
Bala bala.
Bana bayena.
bala bala. Straight out bala bala. Have a girl screaming bala bala.
Baby day.
Bala bala.
Chat English.
Bala bala.
What I hear?
Bala bala.
Cause I wanna.
Bala bala.
Cosa kana tena?
Bala bala.
Bana bayena.
Bala bala.
Straight out
bala bala.
Have the board screaming.
Celli Dynasty. Shout out Moj, cause the beat is moto. I wanna poto. Wanna pro beat, then best bring your mongo. Beggars your mongo. Mechola Lasky, look at the doko. Look at the doko. Might take it to Bala, cause it's on your so. Trap in my tongue, that's free. So straight out bala bala, yeah, that's moto. Say no to guacala, that's chef bro. Simba, yeah. Moto, every tree that I jump on, man, Kalinga. Name me one tree that ain't Kalinga. Man can't try school me about Kalinga. Man tell chef and Kalinga, yo so. Ah, you get me? Niggas an hour, you already know. 30th of January.
Get me.
Bison yosu does a la hour.
Support the thing, support the thing, support the
Does a la
thing.
moto, we look a moto. Straight out, bala 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 bala. Kini wa kini.
Hey, Bango.
Poli,
Hey, Bango.
Poli,
Il est bougé. L'André Dimi. Hey, damn, ma poli. Are you stupid?
Turn into Nyama, don't get it wrong though. Descendants of Manda Congo, Banakwilu in London. Select your body in abundance. I've got life full of substance, so don't try and come with your dumbness. Regulating the breath through my solo, formulating the art of Ngolo.
And it's king, bala bala. I just came back from the Zama. The streets of Marseille, I've got the kwang and it's wrapped up like the puta. I'm a velo, gonna teka. Hurry up and samba. It's mud out here, there's a bila. I ain't tryna get that full of zoba.